Okay, so welcome. So let's mark the tables for today. So we will be having an order somewhere here. Yes, here are we thinking for sell, and these will be our buy levels. Yep. So these are the levels we are expecting for. And yes, if we also and think about the liquidity on all those things, then this level will be more good than this one. I guess we can expect 1:2 something for these levels. But yes, I think if the entry gets activated on this level, then there is a high chance that we may get a full TP. At the same time, this entry is also good as we can see a liquidity can be swept here, and this is a kind of a support too. It's a kind of a support too. So there's a chance that price may dump here and then move upwards. Yes, so for now, these are my four levels till the London session. We'll be waiting for these levels to get activated. And mostly just before the London session or during the London session, we may see these entries are activated. So this is our account status. We are around 20% plus in the first week. And today is the second week, start of the second week, first day of second week. So let's see how much we can grow from today. We have started this week with 12,015. Let's see how much we can grow in this week. Yeah, let's check. Yeah. It's in this range as per swing. And for as per intraday, even the short moves are good for us. It will be more than 1 is to 4. We can see the two trades. This is 1 is to 6, and this is 1 is to 4.6. Again, this is 1 is to 6, and this is again 1 is to 4.6. So we already have good RR trades. Let's see which one gets activated and which one gives us a full TP. And if we talk about swing, then yes, there are the resistance over here, which is around 484 to 467. And now price is 4727. So there is a chance that we may see some fall over here and get a confirmation, then a good upward rally. So now just we have to wait for these levels to be activated. Replace some trees. So let's place some orders here. Okay. So I've placed these orders, as you can see here. Let's see what happens. So these are as per the levels that I have found for the Asian session. And our next levels will be available around 1 p.m. That is at 12:59. So let's see how it goes. रात को बिटकॉइन की चलो इसके भी मार्क कर लेते हैं. Let's do. Yeah, so these are for Bitcoin. Mm. Yes, mostly this entry will get activated around 11:30 or after 11:30. Most of the times it gets activated after 11:30, not necessary that it will activate at the same time. Yes, that there is a high chance it will activate it before London session or during London session. Around 12:59, we will be having more four levels. But for now, these are our four levels. Replace the entries to buy limit and to sell limit. After these two trades are executed, either it gives stop loss or TP, then I will enter on the another two levels. So that's it, what I'm waiting for. If we talk about liquidity, there is a chance to sweep all these liquidities today. So yes, we can have a sell from here, but yes, the more good sell we may get from this area. And at the same time, here also we can get a good buy from here because this here this liquidity will be swept, and also this is a support. we go back to, we can see is the support area. So there is a high chance that price may tap into this area, and then we may get a good buy. So I have placed the buy limit over here and also for sell limit over here. This is based on simple strategy that I have used, only using fib over the range. And if we talk about some swing trades, then yes, what we can plan is this is our support area. So, as per my analysis, gold is bullish for this week. As per the swing trade, it is bullish. Weekly, daily, and 4 hour time frame says that it's bullish. So, yes, I'll focus into buys for swing trades. And in this region, we can look for buys on confirmation. So these are for swing, and yes, these are for the intraday trades that we are looking for today. These levels are only for today. So just waiting for this level to tap. So my picks are like this. I can see investment. So whatever comes first. I've reached both the sell limits and buy limits. Just waiting for the order to paste. Now let's see if we get the entries too early or around London session. Mostly we may get entries around London session and should be waiting till 10:30. So if we get the entries by 10:30, well, good. Otherwise, then we will log out and then we'll be back again around 12:30. And most probably we may see entry till that time. Yeah, because mostly these entries get triggered around London session. I'm expecting the entry to be activated around 11:30 or 12 p.m. as per Indian time. As we won't be entering in between anywhere, we are waiting only price to enter to our levels and then and only then we will enter. Once it enters the levels, we are not looking for any confirmation. We will be just entering. That's it. Let's see. If this occurs within 3 minutes, then we will wait for more time. Otherwise, we'll be signing off now and we'll be back at 12:30 for the next four levels. And most probably the entry will be activated by that time. So you know the entry plan and you know the exit rules that once we see the risk, the reward is double the risk, we will exit 50% of our quantities and then wait for TP or SL. So that we will be risk free once we book 50% at 1:2. Looks like we won't get entry during this live. Like I always say, Asian session is just to mark the labels, and London session is mostly the London session and New York session are our entry times when we are supposed to get entries. So let's see. So yeah, so let's see what happens, and then we'll be back again during the London session. So that's it for now. See you at London session.